Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GMT. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakout from this down channel. As I told you in my previous video that GMT can break out the resistance of the channel, and right now you can see that it has already broken out. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me just show you this 1 hourly time frame chart. And here we have been following different patterns on this hourly time frame chart, and I have been sharing all these patterns with you. This was the ascending triangle. We had a nice breakout, then we formed this falling wedge pattern. We had another breakout, and the target was here at the top of the wedge, and we have achieved that target. And again we formed this falling wedge pattern, but could not break out the resistance of this falling wedge. Here we again formed another ascending triangle and broke down the support, and again formed an ascending triangle here. And after breaking down the support, recently we formed this down channel that I've shared in my previous video with you. And you can see the target for this down channel is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $2.14. But the price line is not able to reach that target because we have this resistance here that is at $1.75, and we can see previously it has been breaking as a support here on 10th of May, and as a support here. And after breaking down, this support has been turned into the resistance, and you can see we have rejection here, we have rejection here, again moved down to the next support that we have here at $1.25. And by the way, this $1.25 has been also breaking as a support recently here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a resistance, as a support, and here it was breaking as a resistance. And after getting bounced by the support of $1.25, we are again moving up to hit this resistance of $1.75. And let me just show you on the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that we have also found another downtrend line resistance as well, and this resistance is also the neckline of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And we can see that we have this drop, then we formed left shoulder, this is the head, and now we have formed the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. Here we have the neckline, and the target for this head and shoulder pattern can be let me just show you. The target can be here. That will be approximately at $3.40. Let me to place a trend line that will show us better target. What can be our target after the breakout? You can see that it is showing the target approximately $3.35. Here we can watch the value. And for example, if we are going to reach at $3.35, then we can see here, I've placed a trend line at $3.35. Then we can even move above this previous triangle as well. And this is, let me show you all these resistance levels on the daily time frame. Then we can see that at $3.80 we have the final resistance, and after breaking out $3.80, GMT can start a very long-term rally, a bull run for the long term. And right now we are moving here, and we can expect that soon it can break out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, but we will need the volume to confirm this breakout. Right now we are at the resistance, did not break out so far. And let me just show you the support. When we had this drop, then we have already tested this key support of 80 cents. You can see it was previously working as a resistance back in March 2022 to the end of March 2022. It has been breaking as a resistance, and it's exactly from that level we are getting bounce, very nice bounce. So it is possible that we may break out the resistance of this head and shoulder, and this head and shoulder can lead to a very big move after the breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.